Good evening friends, this is my third video for the day's trade of Wednesday 16th July, and as I always tell, this is just a journaling video, what went through my mind while trading. This is a disclaimer that I am not any analyst or any guy who can give you recommendation. This is just my journaling videos and whatever thoughts which came through my mind. Don't consider it for any of your trading or any purpose. It is just my views and my thought process during the day. So it was a neutral type of day. The market opened within yesterday's range and it auctioned up and down around the same range. So whenever a market open within yesterday's range and auction up and down in that range, it will be generally a neutral or a non-trend day. So I was in a view that it will go to a neutral day as A period low was taken by C period. So it has to come again into the POC, previous day POC, or it has to close around the value area of previous day. So my view was it will go up and close somewhere around yesterday's POC or somewhere in the value area. So this shows my view. It was almost correct. It closed at exactly at the open of today's range, that was yesterday's POC level. So coming to the trade which we can consider in this case is, after the C period close was below the A period, we expected a market to move up. That was around 10 after 10:45. So as per our strategy, Bollinger Band low has to touch and a green candle confirmation should be there. So around 10:45 we can see somewhat it is coming down, but the red candle was far beyond the Bollinger Band. After a small retracing up, again there was a candle. I think it is around the D period. So that was almost touching the Bollinger Band low, and we got a confirmation by a green candle. So a small stop loss can be considered in that case. It was around 183. We can enter a trade. Stop loss around 175. That is 8 points. So as for our strategy, we are considering 1:2 risk reward ratio. So our target will be around 199. And you can see the RSI, which is around 30. So as per our strategy, it should be somewhere around 20, or if it is in a highly trending day, it should be below that 50, so that we can enter a trade. So almost all confirmation was there, and if we had taken that trade, we would have got a very good result, and we could have exited around Bollinger Band high around 199. Actually today I did not take a trade as I was busy with my work and I was not able to look the market during the hours. Only time which I got was at 11 p.m. when I got a break. So at that time I had this conviction. That is what I have recorded. So exactly it was correct. What the conviction was correct, because that was trading according to the market profile which was written by James Dalton, that Mind Over Market. You can also have a look. It is a very good book, and we'll get an exact conviction about what will be the market. And if you record this day by day, you will be very confident how to, I'm not telling not to trade, but how to decode a market. That is what I'm seeking from this, because that is my passion, to decode this option trading. And this is the only tool as per me, because of this many years I am been doing many applications. This has given me a very great conviction to decode the market. So my view, everything was correct, and I was disciplined as I did not take a trade for the sake of trading, because I was busy with my work, and if at all I had entered a trade, maybe that could have gone wrong, because that entry point won't be correct, because I haven't watched the market. Only time which I watched was around 11 p.m. when I got a break. And these are the points, as already I told, what will be the entry point, what will be the stop loss, what will be the discipline we are keeping. So risk reward ratio 1:2 we considered. Thank you again. Once again, every video and I am telling this is just my journaling videos, and this is only for my discipline trading. I have been recording my whatever it has went through my mind. Don't consider it for as any recommendation. It is just for my study purpose, and if you get anything useful out of it, you can well study this market profile, and that book, it is very good. James Dalton, that Mind Over Market, that can change your perception of thinking. This has benefited me, not financially, but as a part of a discipline and the quest to decode this option market. Thank you.